Hey Divi Nation, welcome to a brand new installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. This week we have for you a brand new, fresh landscape maintenance layout pack we think you're going to love. The Landscape Maintenance Layout Pack is a convenient and versatile design resource that will work for any landscape maintenance website. The layouts feature stunning images, custom icons, and clean design, and a perfect color scheme for landscape or lawn companies. So go ahead and get your landscape maintenance site up and running with this layout pack today. Let's check it out. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can add this new landscape maintenance layout pack on your own website. All right, so before we can start adding our pre-made layouts from the Divi Builder, we must first make sure and authenticate our Elegant Themes subscription. And you can do that by going to Divi Theme Options and click the Updates tab. There, make sure you have your username and API key entered, and then click Save Changes. Once that's done, you'll have access to all of our pre-made layouts without any problems from the Divi Builder. Now we're ready to start creating all of our pages and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts from the Landscape Maintenance Layout Pack to those pages. To get started, go to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title, and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the option Choose a Pre-made Layout, and from the Load from Library pop-up, go ahead and select the Landscape Maintenance Layout Pack, and then you'll see a preview of all the different layouts included on the right, and also a preview on the left. When you find the one that you want, go ahead and select it, and then click Use this layout. Once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to save or publish it. And you want to continue this same process to create all of your pages and then add those corresponding pre-made layouts to those pages. And once all of your pages have been created and all of those pre-made layouts added to them, you're ready for the next step, which is to create a new primary menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Give your new menu a name, and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all the pages you've created. Go ahead and select all of those and add them to the menu. Under the menu structure area, you can organize your menu items however you like. Once done, make sure to set your display location to primary menu and then click Save Menu. And for our final step, we want to make sure and have a static home page for our website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, select a static page, and then for the home page, go ahead and select the home page with that corresponding homepage pre-made layout, and then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the Landscape Maintenance Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. And don't forget to click to get those notifications. That way we can let you know every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.